Okay, hello everyone, I'm Dhruva. I'm going to speak about Pages. It is the best feature of iPad. So I'm going to make a new document and I'll show you. Yeah. So there are many types of orientations. There are many types of styles of templates. Reasons I've recently used only these. These are basic templates, and these are reports, and this is books template. It's like that. If you want to publish a book, you could use it, and the orientation is different in this, but it's same. And you could write letters to your friends and etc. And you could create a poster and you could write a newsletter and you can create a birthday cards for your friends to invite your for inviting them to your birthday party, and you could write envelopes, business cards, certificates, etc. So now I'm going to use a portrait blank document. Yeah, I'll type some words. ICT is the best. Probably can I write digital literacy? Yep, it's good. Digital literacy. Wait, what? Is the best subject. Done. So I'm going to show a few options over here. So if you click this button over here, this paintbrush, you can insert the body of the text like this, 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 something like that. And you could change it to italic, underline, scratch, and many other things. And you can write all caps. You can change the capitalization, small caps, title caps, and start caps. Start caps means when you're starting a new word, the first letter will be capital. So it's called as start caps. Yeah, done. Thank you. And you could change the alignment of the text, center aligned, left aligned, right aligned, justify. And you could add bullet points also, like first bullet. There are many types of bullets. Bullet big, image, lettered, numbered, hard, dash, note taking, like that. And you could increase the text and you can decrease the font size and you could increase the font size and you can number the font size 20 probably. See? And you can line spacing increase, decrease. Yep. After and before, done. And you could change the font name to any other things, whichever you like. Okay, I'll keep it to marker field. Okay. So you could add columns of the text like this, and colors. Oh my god. Ooh. You could increase and decrease it. And again you can select the paintbrush and add a few things. You could take photo or video and you could you could add camera, you could take photo of it, you could record your voice, and you could take a video from web, you can insert an image from gallery, insert text from drawing, like this. You can draw anywhere like this. ICT is the best. So I could take like this. Sorry. uh, like this, it become a knife, kind of, right? And erase it. There are two types of erasers, pixel and object eraser. Probably I'll make it to large size. Jeez, nice. I don't know how to erase it. I'm done. So we'll go to next option. You could undo and redo everything. I'm going to delete this. Yep. And I'll show how to insert graphs and stuff. Yep. Insert graph. Yep. You could insert many kinds of graphs. Like this, like this, like this. You have multiple colors. Like this. Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, Region 4. And May, April, May, Ma. Delete. And now I'll show you could insert 3D graphs also. Now I'll show you we can insert tables and you can change the color also. Black and white. You could add rows and degrees. You could add, this is rows. Wait, sorry. You could increase rows and you could increase columns. You can add multiples of columns, unlimited columns. It's very nice, really nice. You can delete it. Yeah. You could insert any kind of shapes. So basic shapes, geometry. So basic means triangles and stuff. And geometry, objects, animals, nature, food, symbols, education, arts, and science, people, space, places, activities, transport, work, any other things. My shapes, yep. Yep. So pages, there are many more options over there. You could add word count, you could insert a ruler and thumbnails, 2 pages, you could add 2 pages, smart annotations, etc. Done. So yeah. So you can keep it to presentation mode. You could go everywhere like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. And you could change the background color and font to something else, and you could increase and decrease, auto scroll like tortoise. Probably it automatically will go like that. Like this. Like this. It could go like this. It's so cool, right? It'll automatically move. And document setup. You could set up a password. Okay, password. Sorry. You could insert something else. Verify something else. And hint recommended VI. Yeah, done. Cancel. And there's guide and Apple Pencil and stuff, and change tracking and like that. Markup without delections, markup final, something pause or something like that. It's very nice. You could add bookmarks also. Probably I don't have. You could share the document, print and export, etc. So you could edit it. This is the undo option of it. Whatever you want, you can undo it. So this is Pages is more better than for MS Word because it has more facilities and you could we can enter more shapes, more graphs, and etc. So, yeah, thank you.